the robin redbreast. The robin redbreast is a beautiful bird. The robin redbreast has a red or orange breast. They like to eat worms and seeds. I like to watch robins in our yards. This is the robin redbreast.
There's lots of those around, huh?
This is a blue jay.
A blue jay is a large crested songbird. Their favorite food is acorns. Live on the edge of the forest in North America. A blue jay is mostly blue with a white chest.
This is my bird, a blue jay.
Nice.
Nice bird.
This is my bird, an American goldfinch. The American goldfinch is the state bird of New Jersey, Iowa, and Washington. Goldfinches flock with pine siskins and common ripples. Goldfinches like to eat at common feeders stocked with primarily sunflower. In Niger, as of May 2007, the oldest known American goldfish was 10 years, 5 months old.
Whoa.
This is my bird, the American goldfinch.
Nice.
This is my bird, the white-crowned sparrow. The white-crowned sparrow is a beautiful bird. White-crowned sparrows eat insects and worms. The white-crowned sparrow has a breast of creamy white with a brown wings and with a brown tail. The white-crowned sparrow is usually here in the wintertime, but they are found year-round in the Midwest. This is the white-crowned sparrow.